Go.
Great things start from small beginnings. Today marks the small beginnings in our lives as preschoolers as we leave the first portal of our educational well-being under the blessings of our dear alma mater ICS. We are thankful that in God's almighty power we became better kids as what our parents expected us to be. Little believer are teachers who are able to unleash the best that we have. Thank you to our beloved principal, Mrs. Estela Taylor, for providing us the best and the most conducive learning environment. These little things you give us will always remain a good treasure in our hearts. My gratitude to our beloved teachers, especially Teacher Miss Paharo, Teacher Richard Bagley, and Teacher Bradley Plate, who are always there to guide us or sincerely serve our beloved alma mater in providing quality service to all we face. The little things you gave us made us the best of what we are now. To our beloved parents, there can be no greater gift in this world than the gift of education that you have given us. Your struggles and blessed effort given to us, be it little, be it small, made us the best of what you always want us to be. Mommy, Daddy, thank you very much. To all my classmates for being so wonderful and for being good at all times. Thank you very much. Dear present, to all those present to witness this little celebration, thank you very much. Your presence today gave us the feeling of warmth and goodness. May this little voice reach the deepest room of your heart, so you'll never get tired of giving